Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock these Lego cars in Brookhaven. So basically, you will need to select start quest on any of these cars. For this one, you can just claim it, which I already did. So let's do one for this car. Let's start quest. Basically, you will need to follow where the bricks are. Obviously, you want to ride something so you'll go faster. Let's use... I don't know what's fast. Let's use this motorcycle. I actually don't know. Oh my gosh, okay. And you're just going to follow where the brakes are. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. You'll need to complete it and get all the bricks that's here. There's no timer on it, so you just need to follow where it goes, and there's an arrow helping you. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!